Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about our syllabus of biology subject for academic year 2020-21. We know well that this year since March 2020 lockdown was announced due to the COVID-19 infectious attack. Nowadays no college, no offline classroom teaching but study is going onwards without any interruption, but days for study are reduced. Therefore, Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education have been decided to reduce the syllabus of biology subject. Now, take your biology textbook, open the index and listen, note down which chapters are reduced, means which topics we don't have to study for your board examination. Overall, as per the index, there are total 5 units like reproduction, genetics and evolution, physiology, applied biology, and last unit is ecology and environment. These 5 units are subdivided into total 15 chapters. Now we take a glance on individual chapter and try to know about deleted topics from these chapters. But friends, if you are new on this Thanks Education YouTube channel, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to subscribe so as you will get notification of our new educational videos. Then like, comment and share this video with more and more friends who are preparing for HSC board examination. Friends, right now we will see the chapter number 1, reproduction in lower and higher plants. This is ranges from page number 1 to 17. It includes total 17 pages and only a single unit 1.1 asexual reproduction is deleted. Chapter number 2, reproduction in lower and higher animals, starts from page number 18 to 48. Covers total 31 pages and a single topic 2.1 asexual reproduction in animals is deleted. Chapter number 3, inheritance and variation. Friends, here the most important thing is entire chapter is for our examination. That means no any topic from this chapter is deleted. 0% deletion. Chapter number 4, molecular basis of inheritance, starts from page number 70 to 93. It covers total 24 pages and same condition, that means no any topics is deleted from this chapter. Entire chapter is ready for our examination. Chapter number 5, organic evolution of life, origin and evolution of life. This ranges from page number 94 to 118, covers about page 25 pages, among which 15 pages of portion is deleted. Includes 5.1 origin of life, 5.2 chemical evolution of life, 5.3 organic evolution, 5.4 Darwinism, 5.5 mutation theory, 5.7 mechanism of organic evolution, 5.8 Hardy-Weinberg's principle, 5.9 adaptive radiation, 5.10 evidences of organic evolution, 5.11 speciation and 5.12 geological time scale. The next chapter is 6th chapter, plant water relationship, starts from page number 119 to 133, covers about 15 pages and total 10 pages of portion is deleted. That means 66% syllabus is deleted. It includes 6.4 absorption of water by roots, 6.5 water potential, 6.6 plasmolysis, 6.7 path of water across the root, 6.8 mechanism of absorption, 6.9 translocation of water, 6.10 transport of mineral ions, 6.11 transport of food, 6.12 transpiration, and last one is 6.13 structure of stomatal apparatus. Chapter number 7, plant growth and mineral nutrition, starts from page number 134 up to page number 152. Total pages 19 and 14 pages portion is deleted. That means 74% portion is deleted. This includes 7.1 plant growth, 7.2 phases of growth, 7.3 conditions of growth, 7.4 growth rate and types of growth, 7.5 growth curve, 7.6 differentiation, dedifferentiation, redifferentiation, 7.7 development, 7.8 plasticity, 7.10 photoperiodism, 7.11 vernalization, 7.12 mineral nutrition, and last 7.13 is nitrogen cycle. Chapter number 8, respiration and circulation, starts from page number 153 up to page number 181. It covers about 29 pages, but only 4 pages of portion is deleted. It includes 8.5 modified respiratory movements, 8.6 only artificial ventilation and ventilator, from 8.16 angiography, heart transplant, silent heart attack. This means 14% of portion is deleted from respiration and circulation. The next chapter is 9th chapter, control and coordination, starts from page number 182 up to 220. It covers 39 pages and 18%, that means only 7 pages of portion is deleted. This includes 9.6 reflex action and chart number 9.15. This illustrates types of reflex action. Then 9.7 sensory receptors. Thus, chapter number 10, human health and diseases. Friends, we should know that this entire chapter is we have to study for our exam preparation. Means no any topic is deleted from this chapter number 10. 0% deletion. Chapter number 11, enhancement of food production, starts from page number 246 up to 271. Total pages 26, but 11 pages of portion is deleted, means 42% of portion is deleted. This includes 11.2 plant breeding, 11.3 tissue culture, 11.4 single cell protein, and 11.6 animal husbandry. Next, chapter number 12, based on biotechnology, starts from page number 272 up to 292. It covers total 29 pages, and this is again very important chapter, means entire chapter we have to study for our exam preparation. 0% deletion. Chapter number 13, organisms and population, starts from page number 293 up to 307. Covers total 15 pages, and once again this is important chapter. Entire chapter we have to study, means no any topic from this chapter is deleted. 0% deletion. Chapter number 14, ecosystem and energy flow, starts from page number 308 up to 320. Covers total 13 pages. Once again 10 pages of portion is deleted, means 77% of portion from this chapter number 14 is deleted. This includes 14.1 ecosystem, 14.2 energy flow, 14.3 ecological pyramids, 14.4 nutrient cycle, 14.6 ecosystem services. Then chapter number 15, which is last chapter, biodiversity conservation and environmental issues, starts from page number 321 up to 342. Total pages 22, and 50%, means 11 pages of portion is deleted. 15.7 environmental issues, 15.8 greenhouse effect and global warming, 15.9 ozone depletion, and 15.10 deforestation. Thus, friends, we have been completely analyzed the whole biology syllabus This suggests that 5 full chapters with no any deletion means 5 chapters we have to study completely. These 5 chapters are chapter number 3, chapter number 4, chapter number 10, chapter number 12, and chapter number 13. While 4 chapters with minor deletions. These 4 chapters are chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 8, chapter number 9, while 6 chapters with major deletions. These chapters includes chapter number 5, chapter number 6, 7, chapter number 11, chapter number 14, and chapter number 15. So friends, COVID-19 is critical situation for entire world, but as we are students, we have to take advantage of such situation because syllabus is reduced. So it is excellent opportunity to study more and more from this syllabus and convert it into bright future. Thus, once again, friends, if you are new on this Thanks Education YouTube channel, please like, comment, and subscribe by hitting the bell icon and subscribe button below this video, and share this video with your more and more friends who are preparing for this year's board HSC examination. Thanks again. After all, better marks requires practice, practice, and practice. There is no shortcut to success.